Paso Corporation has a vision to be the place to work, the neighbor to have, and the company to own. That vision guides and influences everything we do, from how we treat our employees, to how we direct our corporate charitable contributions, to how we invest our stakeholders' capital. When it comes to supporting our vision, we have a corporate-given strategy that guides our decisions so that we can make a meaningful impact in the areas where we invest our time and resources. Our strategy is very straightforward. Once we've looked at addressing the basic human needs in our communities, we focus on two strategic areas of support: education and the environment. And we're particularly interested in areas where education and the environment intersect. We support student conservation projects that help instill environmental stewardship in future generations. We've invested in a high school science lab that focuses on earth science and atmospheric and environmental studies. And we direct the volunteer resources of Team El Paso to events that clean beaches, remove invasive species, and provide energy-efficient housing to those who may not otherwise own a home. El Paso is proud to support the Nature Conservancy's mission and their science-based conservation endeavors. Consistent with our focus on the environment, we have funded several Nature Conservancy projects during the last few years in Texas, Louisiana, Massachusetts, and Wyoming to protect grasslands and waterway habitats and control invasive species. Everyone at El Paso is honored by this recognition. We look forward to continuing our partnership with the Nature Conservancy as we pursue our vision to be the neighbor to have.